The flaming email. Your heart is racing fast on reading this. You want to respond immediately and speak your mind, maybe even get through the computer screen and scream at the person.
It all started with a misunderstanding that could have been arrested, but all of us were so busy firefighting.
Familiar? You are not alone. A host of professionals face this each day. Now the customer is angry and has sent you an email with high emotional content, and you really don't know how exactly to bring your point across and at the same time consider his issues. Besides creating strong fundamentals, we also have brought out everyday situations that you are likely to face, such as a flaming email. How do you respond to an email such as this? An unforgiving email which has been sent by an important customer or a senior executive. What if this costs you business? Yes, you can consider the sender's point and provide your point of view in a calm and structured fashion, but only if you understand the psychology of a flaming email and practice the options for responding to one. Come and experience this through a charged conversation between Sid and his friends.
It's easy to talk communication, but when we're in the midst of a storm, it is mighty difficult to practice.
Come into our whirlwind and let practice make you perfect.